Hello, and welcome to PlanStreet Video Tutorials. My name is Brian, and today I want to talk a little bit about referrals. As you can see on my screen right here, I've got the referrals module pulled up in the PlanStreet system. And things I want to point out today are the use of the contact number and the email address. Not only are these handy for you to be able to just keep track and contact your service providers when needed, but there's several other modules that it ties into within the system that allows you to automate some features and make your lives a little bit easier when it comes to reaching out to these service providers. So the first thing that we're going to look at is the referral within the actual case itself. So I'm going to go over to an actual case. We can see here we've got Asher Weston here, and we're just going to go into one of these activity cards and assume that we're going to make a referral. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go in, let's just say we open up the medical card, for example. Once this opens, we'll be able to go in and do a referral. So we go in here to edit, and then we're going to go in here and do the actual referral. So let's just check our counseling, for example, and we're going to add that. And let's say that we're going to go to Strong Minds for counseling, and I'm going to save that particular activity card. So now that that's saved, go down and save my card. And since I've enabled notifications in the system is going to automatically generate an email to the address over here under referrals. So an automatic notification went out to this email address stating that my organization that I work for, Disaster Recovery and Action, has referred that particular client, Asher Weston, to this particular service provider for the counseling services. So they'll get that email address. That can also go out via text if you happen to be using the SMS services. And so that they automatically know when you make a referral, that agency gets that notification that they've got somebody coming and who they're coming from. And they can reach back out to you with other questions or things that they need. Additionally for that, you can also go over to the scheduler. So within here, you're looking at your calendar, your appointment calendar. And let's say I needed to set up a meeting, or I wanted to send a meeting invite to a particular service provider. I can come over here, just like I did with this one right here, and just click on any time slot that I need, give it a title, and then when I go to select my attendees, you'll notice that everyone in the system is available for you, whether they are fellow coworkers, whether they are actual clients in the system, or if you scroll further down here, you will also see, for example, here's the Strong Mind service provider listed as a referral. So if I need to send a meeting invite to them, I can simply select them from the referrals group and say, okay, so this service provider right here, I need to set up a meeting invite, send that out like you would any other invite, and they'll automatically get that notification in their email like they would any other type of calendar invite, so they can accept a meeting. So you can see just by configuring your list of service providers here in the system gives you the ability to work with them and gives you the ability to send them notifications when you refer clients to them, and they know exactly what program and activity that referral is based on. It allows you to do reporting in the system from the dashboard on different service providers and who's been working with them. Just like any of these, you can always click on the service provider and see all of the cases and all the times that somebody has been referred to that agency. And then it also allows you to take advantage of the scheduler system and allow you to schedule appointments with these people, as well as clients or donors or referrals, so anybody that you have configured in the system. So I hope that this shows a little bit of how PlanStreet's working to help automate functionality for you, and how you can take advantage of those automations and improve your communication streams and make it more efficient and allow you to get even more work done that you're already doing for the communities. So if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We'd love to hear from you and hope to be working with you soon. Thank you. Bye.